In today's video, we're addressing a major question shaping America in 2025. A question that touches identity, citizenship, and what it really means to belong. A massive policy shift has surprised families nationwide. People who never imagined worrying about citizenship are now confused and concerned. Welcome to UK Wayfinder. A dramatic transformation in U.S. immigration rules has taken place. Experts describe it as one of the biggest policy turns in modern history. After decades of arguments, protests, and legal battles, birthright citizenship has been reinterpreted. The effects are spreading through hospitals, state offices, and communities. Families everywhere are feeling its impact. For over a century, any child born on American soil automatically received citizenship. This rule was simple, direct, and deeply tied to the nation's identity. But that long-standing chapter has now changed dramatically. A new executive directive places heavy importance on parents' legal status. This shift has created uncertainty for millions. Under the updated rule, a baby born in the U.S. gets citizenship only if one parent is a citizen or a green card holder. This affects families regardless of nationality or background. Undocumented parents, students, tourists, and temporary workers all face new barriers. Federal agencies have stopped issuing automatic citizenship documents. Hospitals are required to verify parent status at birth. What was once automatic now requires interviews, forms, and verification. Parents who never worried before are asking urgent questions. They want to know what documents are needed and whether their child qualifies. Some fear difficulties with passports, schools, or benefits. Others worry their child could even become stateless. Legal challenges began almost immediately after the directive was announced. Civil rights groups in several states claimed such a major shift required Congress, not executive action. Different courts issued temporary blocks in different states. This created a confusing patchwork of rules. Some states changed procedures while others stayed the same. The Supreme Court then stepped in, but only to clarify court authority. The court ruled that district courts cannot issue nationwide injunctions on federal immigration directives. This removed several blocks and allowed the new policy to be enforced in most states. A few states still have temporary protections as lawsuits continue. The overall directive remains active. The experience for families now varies greatly depending on the state. Some states offer temporary relief, while others enforce the rules fully. Hospitals in active states must confirm immigration status before issuing any citizenship paperwork. Parents must present green cards, naturalization proof, or legal documents. Families without records face serious uncertainty. Community organizations report record numbers of calls from confused parents. Many are seeking guidance on what steps to take next. Lawyers and nonprofits are holding emergency workshops to explain procedures. Families fear making mistakes that could affect their child's future. The situation has become complicated very quickly. At the same time, another major shift is happening in family-based immigration. The rules for I-130 petitions have become tougher. Forms are longer and the questions more detailed. Evidence requirements are stricter than before. Processing times are expected to increase significantly. These changes affect spouses, children, parents, and siblings alike. Officials say the enhanced review protects the immigration system, but many families fear the process has become harder and more expensive. People without strong financial records or old documents may struggle. Reuniting with loved ones could take even longer. Together, these changes show a broader shift in America's approach to immigration. The focus is moving toward stricter checks, deeper documentation, and more verification. Whether this brings stability or new challenges is still unclear. What is certain is that the U.S. immigration landscape is entering a new era. The full impact of these policies will appear gradually across schools, hospitals, and workplaces. Families planning visas, sponsorships, or childbirth must stay informed. These rules influence not only the present but shape future generations. As court battles continue, one thing is clear. Understanding the system today is essential for protecting your family's tomorrow.